Hey guys, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon.
Good
Appreciate.
afternoon, Ravi. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Now recording is going on, guys. Okay, now so the same things. Okay, now I'm not going to just, but we will understand what is that all concept as a UML diagram. Then we will implement extra rest of the things is there. Okay, now after then I will design UI front of you people and each and everything, and you people will realize everything. This is the mini project, guys, and after ending this application will become mini project. If still anyone is there in the session who is the just completed their engineering mini project, they can put our still last like a degree engineering last in the last semester project right, project semester is there, they can mention these things. Okay na? So okay, please concentrate on that, and I'm going to implement those things. But first what we will do now, let's understand as a UML diagram, right? So what is that? This is our employee model is there, right? This is the employee model is there. Okay, so first what is that? To stable our application to database. Okay na? So one database need, right? One database need. So that database, what which database we are going to use it now? Which database we are going to use it now? MySQL, right? MySQL. Okay, so I'm going to use what? MySQL database. Okay na? This is the MySQL database. In this database we will store what is that? Employee data, right? Employee data we will store in this database, right? So we know that in the Spring ORM model we learn that what is that, how to connect with our what database, right? So how to connect with our database. So for that what we will do now, our Spring framework is given what is that? Driver manager data source class, right? So for that what is that? But EJ relation is there with this. Yeah. So if we want to connect with the database, what is that? We will take what is that? Driver manager, right? Driver manager data source. We have need what is that? Data source, right? So Spring people is given what? One interface, right? No, not a Spring people. This one given by Java X SQL people, right? So okay, fine. So just understand UML diagram, friend. Okay. Yeah, Manjulata. Good afternoon. Okay, so now fine. So okay, so what is that? In which package this one is there? Data source is there in which package? Java X dot what is that? SQL, right? SQL. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. The what is the name? This is the interface, friend. Okay, now this is the interface. Though, so this interface is name is what is that? Data source, right? So okay, fine. So we know that we don't know, so we can't create object of what is that? Interface, right? So where we will go now? It's implementation class, right? It's implementation class, we will go inside that. It's implementation class, right? So okay, fine. So what is the its implementation class? Okay, so multiple implementation classes is given by third party people, right? But what is that? We will use the Spring. What is that? Whatever Spring is given the its implementation classes to interact with our database, we will use that one. Okay na? We will use that one only, right? So for that what is that? Okay, so driver manager data source, Spring people is given what is that? Driver manager data source. So for that what is that? Okay. Okay, so now fine, friend. Okay, so see that. Okay, so what is that? Org dot Spring framework, right? Org dot Spring framework. Okay, fine. Now, so what is the name of driver manager data source? Okay, na? 1 minute, I will make this one adjustment. In this UML diagram only, friend, all our project is there. Okay na? This is called what is that? DFD. DFD, data flow diagram I'm giving to you people. Okay, I'm giving to you people what is that DFD. Okay na. So till now this flow is not completed. Okay na, listen the things. Okay, so because based on that, whenever I will do the practical, based on this one only we will do the practical, friend. Okay, based on this one only we will do the practical. Okay, so because till now, leave it, whatever whoever new in the session, right, don't worry about that. Okay na, because I'm going to touch each and everything whatever till now I explain in what is that in Spring MVC. Okay na, each and everything I will touch in this small application. Okay na. So okay, fine. So don't think little bit also, yo, today is my first day and today Spring MVC going to complete now, I can't understand. If you come with this attitude, really, if you is first day in the session also, you will not understand. Okay na. So make like that attitude, I have the capacity to understand anytime anything. Okay, make like this attitude. Okay na, in the life, because anything will happen in the life first time only. Okay na. Suddenly, this is the life only, right? Someone one of my friend asked Ravikant, my life is not going good, sometime top, sometime down. I said, life is like that only, friend. Okay na, become dynamic. So he said that, what are you talking, every time you are talking about the positive way, let you know that how I can understand, my life is going to hell now and you are saying that like that. I said that your life is like that only. Why? If life is not going top and down, then you are going to wrong way, friend. Okay na, then you are going to wrong way. Because see, until unless uh, any time in your life you observe or not in the what is that, in the hospital, in the hospital, the display blood, right, blood pressure display machine is there, right, in the blood, until unless, right, the in the display, in the blood pressure display machine, line is going top down, till the person is what is that live. And whenever that line will become straight, means the person is gone, means dead. So same like the same concept is there in the life also. Okay na, if life is going up and down, means we are going to good. Okay na, we are going to good. Okay, so don't worry about that, don't understand the life. Okay na, just do the hard work, that's it. That's it. And make yourself that much dynamic, that much dynamic. If your life is what is that going down also, then be patient, and what is that, learn the things. Definitely one hour day, thing will come in your hand. Okay, so now fine. Okay, friend, let it be, let's see the things. Okay na, let's see the things. Okay, so driver manager. Okay na, so this one, from here to here, which relation is there? Easy relation is there, right? Easy relation is there. Okay, is a what is that, is a relation is there, right? Is a relation is there. Okay, fine, guys. So for that, what is that, what class we will use now? Driver manager data source. Okay, so find that. So in that, which property we will use it? Let's see that. Okay na. So minus, right, minus symbol means what is that? Private. What is that? Driver manager class, sorry, driver class, right? Driver class name, driver class name. What is the data type? String data type, right? Another one is what? Another one is what? URL, right? Database URL we will give. What is that? String only, right? String only. After then another one is what? Username. This one also what is that? String only, right? Another one is what? Another one is what? Password, right? This is what is that? String, right? This is also what is that? String only. Okay na. So this is the, this class is given by whom? This class is given by whom? Spring people, right? Spring people. Okay na. See the package. What is the package? org.spring, right? Spring. Okay, so this one is given by whom? Is java x.sql people, right? This is the data source interface. By using what we will do now, we will give its implementation classes, right? We will give what is that? Its implementation classes, friend. Okay na. uh, give friend, give me 1 minute time. Actually my door is closed, someone is came on my door, right? Just 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so let's continue, okay na. So this property we will use it, right? We will use at the time of what is that implementation. When I will give the implementation, I will this is called what is that, what I'm going, what things I'm giving to you people, DFD. This is nothing but what is that, data flow diagram, okay na. So based on this property, what we will do now, we will connect with the database, right? We can able to connect with what is that, our database, okay na. So fine. So what is that, this database, this is the database. Which database we are going to use it, guys? MySQL, right? Sorry, we are going to use it, what is that, MySQL database, right? Yeah. So okay, so okay, fine friend, okay na. So after then what is that, so we know that, right? So we have to perform what is that, session operation, right? Internally, before starting our Spring ORM module, I explained one Hibernate application. In that session factory is there, right? So those operations, I'm not going to that much different here, okay na? But I will give the UML notation, right? So for that, to perform session operation, what is that, Hibernate session. Don't worry about that, what is that, Spring servlet session, okay na. This is the Hibernate operation, okay na. So for that, what we will do now, okay. So for that, Spring people is given what, one more class, right? One more class. What is that, what is the class name? Let's see that, okay. Let's see that, okay. Let's see that. Okay. So okay. Yes, Hussein. What is the package name? Org dot spring framework, right? What is the package name, guys? Spring dot what is that? Org dot spring framework, right? Spring framework, fine. So okay, so what is the class name? What is the class name? Let's see that. What is the class name? Plus symbol means public. Local local session local session factory, local session factory bean, right? This is the, to perform what is that, operation, right, in Hibernate. For that, Spring people is given this object, okay na. So find that, okay. So okay, fine. So with the, but who will use this session means how, but in the session what is the need, database information, right? So for that, it will what is that, okay. This one will connect with a data source, okay na. This one will connect with what is that, data source, okay. What relation between these two classes, what relation is there? Has a relation, okay na. So we stable what is that, has a relation, okay, between these two classes. What relation is there? Has a, here what relation is there? Has a, right? Yeah, this is the has a relation, okay. So fine friend, okay na. We are going good, okay. Okay, so now, okay, let's see that, okay na. So inside that, how many properties are there inside this class? How many properties there? Let's see that those property. Let's change the color, okay. So how many properties there? Plus what is that, sorry, minus data source, right? Data source, okay. So data source, what is that? Data source only, right? Data source, okay na. Inside that we will pass this one, okay na. We will pass this class, okay. So fine, okay. Another one more property is what? Another property is what? Hibernate property. hibernate property. This one is what is that property, the property only, right? This one also return type is what is that property, it will take the property only. Another one more is there, what is that annotation class. Okay, so this one will take what is that list of string, means the class it will. Okay na, so now fine. So but this is performing what is that hibernate operation. Internally it will use the hibernate operation to perform the hibernate operation, fine. So now but we have need non-select operation, whatever non-select operation we have need to perform. So for that, what is that, what we are using, that transaction management, right? Commit and rollback. For that also spring people is given what is that, for that also spring people is given what is that one more class, right? For that also one more class, okay na? Okay, so what is the class name, what is the class name, guys? Who's given this one? Spring people only, spring people only, right? Org dot spring framework, right? After then what is the class name, what is the class name? Hibernate transaction manager, right? Manager, okay, this is the class name. Okay guys, fine. Internally this one will use what is that hibernate interface is there, right? Hibernate interface is there, what is that, who is given this interface? Hibernate people, right? Hibernate people is given. Internally this one will use these things, okay? Org dot what is that, hibernate. This is what is that session factory. This is the session factory, okay? Yeah, so till now the things is completed, guys. Now from here onward our coding, whatever our coding classes is there, those coding, okay na? These things is already there in the spring, we will just use it, okay na? So but still I'm giving the UML notation to remember these things, okay na? To remember these things, because of that I given, right? Otherwise directly I can implement, okay na? But the image, if image is there in your mind, right? So sometime what will happen, whenever till now, because of the corona, right? Because of the corona, what is that, the thing is going like online interview. Whenever you will face like a technical round na, sometime what is that, based on the experience, people will give the like that application only, they will give perform all code operation and show the output result, like that you will face in the future interview. If you give the in the interview, right? In the future if you give the interview, right, definitely you people will got. And if you people having this kind of, right, has a experience like UML diagram, if there in your mind, gave me nothing for me, like that you people will tell, and within the half an hour you people will complete these things, okay na? So fine guys, so this class also will interact with what is that, this session factory, right? This session factory, this one will happen internally, guys, right? These things will happen internally, okay na? Okay, here also is a relation, okay? So but we know that if we want to perform what is that, has a relation, right? If we want to perform has a relation with what is that, we are going to perform what is that, all operations, save, update, delete, where the method is there, spring people is given what is that, hibernate template, right? Hibernate template. So for that also, what is the class name? Hibernate template. Who's given? Spring people is given, right? org dot spring framework. What is the class name? Plus hibernate template, right? Today I'm going to give lot of, lot of image I will create. If any operation, save operation, for that also I will create the, what is that, uml diagram notation, and each and everything diagrammatically only. Till now whatever things I taught, right, I did not give in any image, right? But from here, because project implementation, there just I taught concept, right? But here I'm going to give what is that project implementation, right? So here I will create it each and everything. Okay friend, each and everything. Fine. So till now hibernate, from here to here, see, from here to here, right? These things is given by spring people. Now our project work will be start. From here onward our project work will be start. Okay now. So what is our project, guys? What is our project? Employee project we are creating, right? We are creating the employee project. Okay now. So let's see that our project implementation. What is that? 1 minute, I will make this one as a small. This uml diagram is going to too much big, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yes, hibernate, right? So okay, so now what is that? So employee, right? So what is that? First this is, let's create our own what is that class, right? Our own classes, where to DAO service and controller MBC we are working on a spring model, right? A spring model. So for that what we will do now? Okay, so what is that? This is, what is that, interface. This is our interface. Okay, this is what our interface. What is the DAO interface name we will take? Based on that one only we will implement in our project, guys. Okay, so this is our, what is that, spring. Just what we will take now, um, com dot rk dot, what is that, DAO this is the interface package name. Okay na. So after then what we will take the name of this class, plus symbol, what is that, employee DAO, right? Employee, sorry, interface, right? Interface, capital I, employee, class name employee. After then what is that, DAO. Based on this one we will understand, oh, this is the DAO interface. I'm following coding standard also, guys, how we are writing in the real time project code, and the name, how we are giving the name and all those things. Okay now, follow these things only in your day-to-day project also, guys. Okay now, these things is the real, guys. These things is the real. Okay now. So now fine friend. Okay, so but we know that we can't create in object of interface. So where we will go now, we will write the logic in its implementation class. Okay na. So for that we will take, what is that, we will take its implementation classes also, right? Its implementation classes I will create all packages front of you people only, guys. Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, so now see that. Okay, see that what we will take the name of this package, com.rk dot dao dot impl, right? Implementation means this one, these things is common. DAO means data access layer, right? Implementation means its implementation class, right? Based on the package name, naming convention, we will understand, oh, this is the implementation class of what, DAO layer, right? DAO layer. Okay, so fine, guys. So fine, guys. Okay na. So but we will decide it, what is the name of class, public class. After then what is that, employee, employee, what is that? DAO IMPL. This is the class name, implementation class name. Okay, so fine guys. Okay, fine. So okay guys, so now what is the relation between these two interface? Is a relation, right? This is the is a relation, interface to concrete class. Okay na, is a relation between these two interface and class is a what is that? Is a relation, but Hibernate template we have need to use it. Okay na, so what is that? What attribute? Private, what is that? Private HT colon Hibernate template, right? So okay, so this attribute, what is that? Between we have made what is that? We made what is that? Has a relation between Hibernate template plus we are using that attribute inside that, right? So okay, so what relation is there between these two these two class? Has a relation is there, right? Has a relation is there. Yeah, has a relation. Okay, between these two classes what relation is there? Has a relation is there. Okay now, so fine. So okay guys, till now the things is going good, till now the things is going good. Okay, after the next, what is that? Where we will write in our application business logic in the service class, right? So this application is going to modular application we are going to implement based on the MVC guys. Okay, so now fine friend. Okay na, so now okay, see that what is the, what is that interface? First, what is that interface we will create? Okay na, service class interface we will create. Okay, so what we decided is, what is that? What the package name? Com.rk dot, what is that? Service, right? Service, this is the package name. Okay na, package name. Okay, fine. Okay, this is the package name. And what is that? It's in what we will decide the interface name plus what is that? Employee I. Interface always will start I, right? I employee service, right? I employee service. Fine friend. Okay na. So now okay. So but we know that we can't create the object of interface. So where we will write the business logic? It's implementation class. For that also, what is that? The class implementation we will give, right? The class implementation we will give. Okay, fine friend. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Let's design this one also. Okay, okay. Com dot rk dot, what is that? Service dot impl means, impl means what is that? Implementation class. Which one? Which implementation class? Service, because we wrote, right? Service implementation class, where we will write the business logic friend. Okay, where within the 1 minute friend meeting will end. Okay na, please come back and join and enjoy our last session. Okay na, here I'm going to give what is that? Full to full project. Based on this one, if you get the critical project also, you people can work on that. Okay na, that like that I designed this project. Okay, like that I designed this project. Okay na, enjoy this project. Okay, so okay, fine friend. Okay na, so service class. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Now it's implementation classes is there, right? Inside that. Okay, fine. So what is the relation between this interface and this one? Is a relation is there, right? Is a relation is there.